For hundreds of years, scientists have used paper laboratory notebooks to record experiments and store scientific knowledge. If properly maintained, the notebook has served as a source of useful information for many years. However, paper notebooks are becoming increasingly obsolete in today's highly computerized lab environment. It is estimated that 20 to 40% of a scientist's time is spent completing notebook entries, searching for information, and creating reports. Manual cutting and pasting of data and instrument printouts into notebooks using scissors and tape is still a very common practice. Just think about it. Companies and universities invest enormous amounts of money into R&D projects each year, only to have the scientists' results and conclusions lost and buried in paper archives. The limitations of paper notebooks, coupled with the acceptance of electronic records by the FDA and US and European courts, has led to a growing number of companies replacing the paper notebooks with ELN systems. ELN stands for Electronic Laboratory Notebook. ELNs are specifically designed to replace paper notebooks and allow scientists to record experiments in a more convenient and efficient manner, often to a searchable and secure database. Today, many of the largest pharmaceutical companies have implemented an ELN system in their research departments, and almost every university has one or two well-funded groups that have replaced the paper notebooks with an ELN system. These organizations report that users save between 30 and 60 minutes every day by being able to clone previous entries, use templates, and having instant access to information and data. The notes become more legible, and experiments are being written up in a more consistent fashion. Entries are also signed and countersigned in a timelier manner, increasing IP protection and GLP compliance. But as we all know, implementing a database system costs money. First, you need to purchase licenses. Then you need a secure server environment with redundancy, security, and backup procedures in place. You also need a technical team with database experts and system administrators to make sure that the system runs smoothly. iLabber is the electronic laboratory notebook system specifically designed to meet the needs of small to mid-sized companies and academic research groups. iLabber is based on a proven Contour ELN product, which has been used by biotech, pharma, and chemical companies worldwide for many years. With iLabber, recording experiments have never been easier. Forget about cutting and gluing printouts into your notebook. With iLabber, you can transfer data and results directly between your favorite software programs and your iLabber notebook. iLabber saves valuable lab time by allowing you to clone previous entries and use templates for repetitive tasks. Just as Gmail or Salesforce, iLabber is a cloud-based internet service. This means that you can access your notebook 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And inviting your colleagues to join a shared workspace is just a few clicks away. iLabber is GLP compliant, and the optional electronic signatures workflow makes sure that all entries are signed in a timelier manner for maximum IP protection. Instead of running the system yourself, iLabber runs in a shared data center with security and regular backups. This makes it fast to get started and cost less. You don't need servers, and you don't need a technical team to keep it up and running. iLabber is wrapped into a predictable monthly subscription fee, so you only pay for what you use. iLabber is free for single users, and academic groups enjoy a favorable discount. For more information, visit iLabber.com.